Our first obstacle today is this little crossing across the Bungal Creek. All of our vehicles have got snorkels, so we're going to be very confident pushing into this, creating a bow wave and pushing out the other side. But if you don't have a snorkel, then we've really got to protect that air box. For us though today, it's going to be quick and easy, so let's get into it. A little bit of a water crossing, it's always good to check your air box. It's pretty good.
Tony from Donaldson jumped out, helped Simon just make sure it was all clean inside and all sealed.
Tony, what are we looking for?
Just basically making sure that you haven't drawn any water into the air cleaner.
But it was a good time to discuss what we've recently released, our Land Cruiser 200 series replacement air cleaner housing.
It's the cover to the housing seal that is absolutely critical. We've spent a lot of time and several redesigns making that seal absolutely watertight.
The housing basically gives a 99.99% air cleaner efficiency.
You don't have to modify anything. The same hardware that is used on the original housing is used on our housing, and it takes up exactly the same footprint, so there's no clearance issue with any accessory, whether it's a second battery, a catch can, whatever. It fits, and it fits every snorkel that we know of.
It lasts a lot longer, got a lot less restrictions, so there'll be performance benefits to be had.
Far improved filtration, far improved sealing, and it blows a stack more air.
It's got roughly half the restriction of the original housing.
Wow.
I would be surprised if anyone would need to replace that element within 12 months. You've got 99.99% air filtration efficiency. You should never see dust on the intake side. Effectively, the only way the water can get in is if someone puts a hose into the snorkel. But even if water does get in, you literally take the element out, wipe it out with a rag, put the element back in, and away you go.
We had no issues of water being in the airbox, nor any dust getting past the air cleaner. A really important thing out here.
Let's get back on the track.